Well, hello, my beautiful family on YouTube. How are you all doing? I hope that you're doing good. If you're new to my channel, this is Sargushini. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a skincare and a hair care haul of Made in India brands. So I actually have quite a lot of products, a total of 9 from brands that are exclusively made in India. I'm also going to review the onion and ginger hair care range from this particular brand called Wishcare. Now, if you have watched my previous hair care product review videos where I've talked about, hair care tips, especially my hair fall related videos, you might already be knowing that there I have talked about how onion and ginger, these two ingredients, are great if you're suffering from hair fall or dandruff. Ginger is especially great if you're suffering from dandruff induced hair fall. So I am going to review the onion and ginger hair care range from this brand called Wishcare. So I'm going to review their hair oil, shampoo and conditioner. So I really hope that you enjoy watching this video, and if you do, please don't forget to switch on the bell icon after you have hit the subscribe button so that it makes the ting noise, and give a big thumbs up to my video and leave your comments under my video. They absolutely make my day. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, for the first items of the haul, I have, as I already mentioned, the onion and ginger hair care range from Wishcare. So I first have the onion and ginger shampoo. Next, I have the onion ginger conditioner. And for the third thing from the brand, I have the Wishcare 100% pure Kalonji black onion seed oil for healthy hair and skin. So these are the three things I got from Wishcare. I'm going to mention the product quantity, the prices and all of those stuff in the description box because I have to cover 6 more products in the haul video, and I do not want to make the video unnecessarily long. So please do make sure that you check the description box out to get all of those informations and links to buy them for the links to watch my other videos. So make sure that you check the description box out. So for the next Made in India products that I got, I have 4 products from the brand called The Pilgrim. Now, I have already reviewed all of these products in a video dedicated towards reviewing affordable Korean skincare but made in India products that are sulfate free, paraben free, and free of all the cruelty free and free of all the nasty stuff. So I already have a dedicated video on the products that I'm going to be showing you in this haul video on my channel. You guys have been loving that video, and the reason why I'm doing this haul is because I figured that for a lot of you, these factors, that whether a product is sulfate free, paraben free and cruelty free, all of these are actually quite important. So the first product I have from the brand Pilgrim is the face toner. Now this is a toner that I am constantly using for the past 2 weeks, and I absolutely love it. I love the smell of it. It's just so amazing. This is the thing about these products, they make you feel like you're in a spa. The second product is the serum from the Pilgrim. The third product I have from Pilgrim is their body scrub that instantly makes you feel like you are inside a very expensive spa, but you are actually inside your very own shower. And the fourth product is the body butter. So I will leave the link of that review video of all these products up in here and in the description box. So if you want to watch that video, make sure you click on the link from the description box and watch it, but only after you have finished watching this video. And for the last 2 things of this haul, I have 2 skincare products from this brand called Upakarma. Now this is their night serum. That is again paraben free, is organic, and it retails for $9.49. Quite a steep price. As you see that I have not opened the package yet, I only received it yesterday. So you are going to see a review of this brand in say a week. And the second product that I have is again another face serum from the brand, because I love using serums on my face over very thick face creams. So this is the vitamin C face serum, and this retailed for rupees 11.99. So I really hope that both of these work, and you're going to find out if they do. So these were all the products from today's haul, and now moving on to the review of the brand Wishcare that I have been trying out religiously for the past 2 weeks. First product that I'm going to review from the brand is the onion ginger hair shampoo. Now again, this is free from sulfate and paraben. It contains castor, olive and rosemary extract, and retails for rupees 5.99 for 300 ml of the product. Now, to be honest, I really do not know how I feel about the product exactly. And I'll tell you why. What I like about this shampoo is that on the label it says that use little product and save water by reducing your shower time, and don't worry if the shampoo doesn't lather much. In fact, I believe that the shampoos that actually do not lather much are the ones that do not have a lot of harsh chemicals in them. So that is something that I like. But yeah, as I was saying, after the first wash with this shampoo, my hair felt really soft but frizzy. I do not know how that is possible, but it did feel like that. So I wouldn't say that I love the shampoo, because I did not. But what I did really like is the conditioner that from the same range, which also retails for rupees 599 for 300 ml, and this is an amazing conditioner. It just makes your hair so soft. It adds a subtle shine. So yeah, I really like it a lot. But is there a product that I love? Yes, there is. The product that I love is the Kalonji Black Onion Seed Oil. Now this oil is absolutely amazing. Okay, it comes with this small comb that is to me it is a bit useless, so I do not use it. But for some of you who do not want to use your regular comb to comb through your hair after applying oil, it might come in really handy. But what I love about this oil is that it is non-sticky. It makes my hair super healthy. It is not very thick, not too runny, not too thin, and most importantly it is so easy to wash off. And from the very first wash, your hair starts looking healthy, and it is just absolutely amazing. It retails for rupees 600 for 200 ml of the product. However, I think it is a great value for money product. You need very little quantity, and after the longest time, I have actually found a hair oil that is a bit different and that works for me, makes my hair healthy. The thing that I do not like about hair oils is that some difficult to wash off, in the process of which what happens is you end up doing more harm to your hair than good. So this is something that I really love about this. They say that it is made from it is 100% pure and made from Kalonji Black Onion Seed Oil. Now this is something that you do not get a lot in the market. Like, you do get a lot of coconut oil from a variety of brands, but this is something that you do not get that easily. And this is the first onion oil that I've used, and I actually love it. So if there is one product that I would ask you, is a no-fill product, then there is the onion oil from Wishcare. However, if you tell me that does it stop hair fall completely, or is there a drastic change, I have only been using it twice in the past 2 weeks, and even after that my hair has been looking very healthy. I have not seen any drastic change, but yes, my hair does look very healthy. And I every time now that when we are out, we come back, we have to mandatorily wash our hair because of the virus. So I think using this oil has actually helped in maintaining the moisture balance in my hair. So yeah, that is the product that I would say you can spend your money on if you want to. With that, I'm going to end today's video. I really hope that you liked today's haul and the review video. If you did, please hit the bell icon after you have clicked on the subscribe button so that it makes the ding noise. Don't forget to give a big thumbs up and leave your comments down below. It absolutely, totally, always makes my day. Please do take care of yourself and those around you. I'll see you very, very soon. Until then, take care. Bye.